In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Royal Bank of Scotland mobile app with our step-by-step installation guide. Whether you're a new or existing customer, getting the app on your phone is a breeze, and I'm here to walk you through every part of the process, ensuring you get the app installed and ready to use as quickly as possible. To begin, let's navigate to the official Royal Bank of Scotland website. This is where the magic starts. Open your preferred web browser and type in the following URL: www.rbs.co.uk banking with Royal Bank of Scotland Royal Bank app.html. It's essential to visit the official site to ensure you're accessing the correct secure application. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the homepage. You should spot the option to get the Royal Bank app quite prominently displayed. Once you've located the Get the Royal Bank app button on the homepage, go ahead and click on it. This step is crucial as it will take you to the necessary page where you have the option to download the app. Now, depending on your device, there may be slightly different options for downloading, so be sure to choose the one that fits your operating system, whether it's iOS or Android. Moving on to one of the more interactive parts of this process, using your mobile or tablet device, let's proceed to scan a QR code that will make downloading the app even easier. Most smartphones and tablets today have a built-in QR scanner within the camera app, so go ahead and open your camera app. Next, simply point your device at the QR code that you should see displayed on your computer screen. This is a neat feature because almost instantly a link should appear at the top of your device's screen. Just tap the link once you see it and you'll be directed straight to the app's download page. And there you have it. With just these simple steps, you'll have the Royal Bank of Scotland mobile app downloaded onto your device. Remember, using the app allows you to manage your finances with ease, giving you the power to bank whenever and wherever you please. Make sure your app is regularly updated for the latest features and security. If you encounter any snags along the way, the Royal Bank of Scotland website offers various resources and a supportive help desk to provide further assistance. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy the convenience of banking on the go.